Sound is half of the video experience. As video creators, sound is very important, and we need to learn how to use it effectively to captivate your viewers. Using sound effects in your videos increases the average view duration of that video. This is done by engaging the viewer, not just visually, but audibly as well. So, in this video I am going to show you where are the best places to find sound effects and avoid getting a copyright strike. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Usually, what people do when they want to find sound effects is that they would go on YouTube and search for the sound effect they want. Then they would download it and use it in their own video. Doing this can get you a copyright strike or it can lead to your video being demonetized. If you are not making money on YouTube, then this might not be a big deal for you. But if posting videos on YouTube is one of the ways you make money, then I'm sure you don't want to risk having a video of yours get demonetized. And so, I am going to share with you my favorite sites for finding sound effects as well as music. The first place where you can get free sound effects and music is the YouTube Audio Library. The YouTube Audio Library is used by many content creators. It has thousands of music tracks and sound effects which you can use in your videos. You have different filters that you can search by. Make sure that the sound effect or track you are using does not require you to attribute them. Once you've picked the sound effect you want to use, click on Download. And you have downloaded a free sound effect. There are new music tracks being added, so you will never run out of music. These are some sound effects and music tracks they provide. The second place to get free sound effects is Epidemic Sound. This is a paid website. This website is one of the best when it comes to sound effects and music. You can go on their library and they have a lot of sound effects and music tracks. Once you are signed in, you can go to the Sound Effects tab. And there you will have lots of sound effects to choose from. They have 3 plans: Personal, Commercial, and Enterprise. You can start a free trial to test the website and then subscribe for one of their plans to get access to thousands of free sound effects and music tracks. The next website on our list is called Mixkit. Mixkit provides lots of free sound effects. You can search for specific sound effects, or you can pick one from the categories they have. They have a free license, which means that you can use their sound effects in your YouTube videos without facing any copyright issues. If you subscribe to Envato Elements, then you can get up to 40,000 premium audio tracks. I will put the links to all the websites I mentioned in this video in the description below. That is all for today's video. Remember to check out my latest video where we talked about how to make money using Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.